Welcome to JB Lessons. In this 2-minute tips, I'm going to be talking to you all about pull-offs. If you've already seen my 2-minute tips video on hammer-ons, this is pretty much the same concept, just in the reverse. If you haven't seen that, check out this video. Okay. So a hammer-on is when you play a low note and you hammer it on to make a higher note. A pull-off is the reverse of this. You are playing the higher note and pulling off to make the lower note. Now the easiest way to show you this is going to be if we play finger 1, fret 1, and we play the note first. And what you're going to do is pull your finger down and flick. Now I'm exaggerating this, you don't need to do it as extreme as that, especially if you're doing it on a higher string later on. If you did it as extreme as that, you'd be playing all the others. So just a small flick. Now, if you can do that, what I want you to try and do is finger 1 on fret 1, add finger 2 on fret 2. This is a more common thing that you would have, where you pull off one note to another note, where you have to fret both of them. So we play finger 2, fret 2, and then you have to pull it off and have finger 1 still on. Best thing I can advise you is try not to let finger 1 bend. If you can do that, let's try and go finger 2, pull off to 1, pull off to 0. If you can get that, let's try and do finger 2 and finger 3 and finger 1, and we're going to go 3, pull off 2, 2, pull off 1, 1 to open string. Then the hardest one, little finger pull off, so 4 pull off to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, and 1 to 0. And if you feel you've got that, we're going to play the first note, which is the 4, and you're going to in turn pull off each string. Try it on the next string, and the next string, and the last string. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to check out some of my other videos on the channel, and also if you're enjoying the content, consider liking and subscribing. It'd really help me out. Thanks.